Here's Steve here visiting with us again from
Tarlock.
All the way from Tarlock.
Yeah.
Whereabouts are you from back home though?
California.
California.
Yes.
I see.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day.
Los Angeles. Los Angeles. A lot of people have those jerseys. They're not from Los Angeles. I got one. I'm not from there.
It's the Black Mamba.
The Black Mamba.
Right.
Yeah. Anyway, we got to look at this stack of food back here, guys. We have a party we've catered. 30 pizzas assorted. Table full of chicken and pasta and spaghetti. It is just endless what's going on here. Getting ready to deliver it. Ready to deliver some of it, and they're picking up some. It's a big ordeal today at Poppy's. We are catering this party. It's one of our customers' favorite places here at Poppy's, and she said her granddaughter wants Poppy's. So that's what she's getting. It's Magella's birthday party today, and we are going to celebrate with her with some Poppy's food. We're going to bring it over. They got some routine they're doing. She's into martial arts. So look forward to that, guys. We're going to have a little martial arts display from Magella, the birthday girl, and her whole team, I guess. So we're looking forward to that. We'll see what these kids can do. They got some knives, big swords and stuff.
for my go-signal, so I'll be counting 1, 2, 3, and we'll count them. So are you ready, Majana? You're ready? Everybody, let's count in 1, 2, 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, it's time for our dinner.
All right, everybody's digging in over here. Oh, finally, we got a salad taker. We got somebody who was going to dig into some salad. I don't know where the tongs went. There you go. We got it all down here today, guys. Spaghetti, chicken wings, garlic bread, pizza. How is it, guys? Everything good?
It's good.
Yeah! What do you think?
A lot of happy people. I'm one of them because it's almost done. Everybody's happy, everybody's fed.
Yep, round 2 coming.
And happy birthday to the birthday girl.
What do you think? Everything go well?
Yeah.
You like being the duck? I let your secret out. Hey guys, I'm here with Ruben and Steve this morning, and they're telling me a funny story. A little history here. Mr. Steve here has been living with us for a little while here at the Drake.
6 or 7 weeks.
Yeah, he's been here for a while, so we kind of know each other a little bit. But Ruben here just arrived.
Yesterday.
He arrived yesterday. Where'd you arrive from, Ruben? Tell everybody.
San Diego, California.
San Diego. You could have saw me when I was there. I was pretty close by.
I flew from Atlanta.
But anyway, Ruben here has been following us for a long time, and he brought us some gifts. I'll get back to the story in a minute. Here's Mercy over here. Say hi.
Hey!
We're getting ready to go to the gym, of course. Going to the gym every day. But look, Ruben brought us some gifts. I haven't even opened them yet, so I figured we'd open it on the camera. Let's see what's in there. It looks like one's for me because it's big. It'll fit. Ruben says it'll fit. Oh yeah, that'll fit. San Diego State. I'll wear it. Beautiful. I'll take it and work out in that.
Yes,
I'll sweat it out. You got a small package, lady. You got a little bitty one in here. Let's see. There we go. I love San Diego. Beautiful.
Love it, yes.
I'll wear that next time I go to the San Diego Zoo.
There you go. If I'm there.
Philippine Eagle is at the.
They have it. We were just talking about that yesterday.
I tried to see it here, and they said it's protected, but they have several at the biggest eagle in the world.
Thank you.
Yep, that's the place to go there. San Diego Zoo has everything. Well, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Now let's get back to the story. So
I was in my room and I heard really loud down here.
Yeah.
Loud.
Yeah.
And I thought somebody was harassing the front desk or robbing the place. So I came down to make sure everything was okay.
And it was this guy.
It was him, he's just loud.
He's just loud.
So I said, you could be a Marine Corps drill instructor. And he said he was a Marine, and I gave him a bunch of questions. And it turned out he was.
So you quizzed him. You quizzed him.
Immediately, because there's a bunch of liars.
All right. So yeah, Ruben is admittedly a loud guy. And Steve's got his own volume of his own.
Yes, I
So,
do.
yeah, so together these guys are going to be a lot of fun.
Oh, God.
So these guys together will be a lot of fun because there's going to be a yelling match. We got 2 former Marines here that just like to yell at each other.
Always a Marine.
Well, that's right. I shouldn't say former. And you guys know 10% discount on your food because military veterans, all veterans
Of course.
of any armed forces around the world can have a 10% discount. And your drinks, all of it.
You get 30 for Vietnam.
Man. Wow.
He can take mine.
He can take yours,
He
Ham?
can take mine.
Well, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate your service, guys. And we really appreciate you guys staying with us, too. And enjoying our good food.
To meeting you guys and being a drink. So,
All right.
happy.
Nice.
So,
All right, guys. We'll see you later.
yep.
5 stars here.
5 stars. I'll take every one of them.
Happy breakfast special.